How to report a review on Yelp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Search for your location and the business you want to report review of. And after you find this page here, simply select the business where you want to report a review. Scroll down. At the bottom, you will find the review page. In the review, you'll find all these kind of page. Here, click on the three dots in the review. You'll find report review option. It is not available in my region, but it may be available in your region. Simply click on report review, and after that, select the reason why you want to report this review. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to report a review on Yelp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.